Good morning vlog. It is Valentine's Day, super exciting. So you might be thinking, Ella, you don't have a Valentine. However, we have a really fun Galentine's Day plan today. So we're getting brunch and then we're gonna have a picnic and it's just gonna be a fun day. Me and Jordan and Madison, single ladies, we're gonna make the most of it. Mia has plans for dinner tonight. However, she'll be here for our daytime brunch plans. It's gonna be a fun day. I'm excited to take you guys along. Like, we're just gonna make this the best day ever. So yeah, it is 10:04 right now. We have brunch at 11:15 at Catch because that's open now. So I'm gonna get ready and yay. Also, Miss Jordan did the sweetest thing ever this morning. She got up and got us all blue bottle and a little Valentine. So freaking cute. Mia. I got it. You're gonna like it.
I'm unable to get up.
Like it's your favorite. Look at what Mia got us.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Spoil her girl. Guys, I feel like this is the best morning ever.
Wow.
Blue bottles and donuts.
That is so
Selfless because she hates donuts.
And she has a Valentine. Here is my outfit. Headband is from Urban, I think. Top is IMGA. Pants are Aritzia. St. Laurent sneakers. Not super Valentine's Day, but like I have the pink headband, so I feel like it's good.
Look how beautiful. Ooh, but the French toast.
What's everyone feeling for breakfast?
I think we're gonna split the waffle tower and some bacon.
Yay!
Guys, she was my Valentine's date last year too. We got chicken nuggets.
It's our year anniversary.
Okay, can I join this year?
You're joining this year.
Thank you.
Yeah, it'll be fun. It'll be fun.
I want the avocado toast. Where is it? Avocado toast. Ooh, look at this spread.
Vanilla, chocolate, raspberry, mint.
Wow.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
Oh, look, it's so cute.
Yummy. I love fruit.
Yay.
I need this so bad.
I need fruit.
That's so sweet.
Thanks, Mom and Dad.
Thanks, Bambulisses. Okay, so guys, I'm on a mission. Basically, everyone got Valentine's. Like, Mia got us donuts, Jordan got us coffee and a card, Madison got us little candies and a card. I'm slacking. I missed the memo, so I'm gonna go to Bristol and get something special for the girls. Maybe like a card and some flowers if there's any left. But if you guys are watching this, just know I love you all and I just missed the mark, but it doesn't mean anything less. I'm still gonna pull through. Got the goods. Don't even worry about it. Also, I got some cute little napkins for our picnic. But yeah, just like it's a single rose with some baby's breath. I feel bad this is so last minute, but I think the flowers are still cute. Hopefully they like them. I want to write like a little card too or something. Okay guys, we're getting a little creative here because I didn't find a card, but I'm just gonna cut some hearts out of this piece of paper. Okay, 3 hearts. Now I can write a little message. Okay, all done. Okay, here we go.
Not me eating a little donut. This is so sweet.
I
feel like I'm on The
them.
Bachelor.
Yeah, I need to give my roses to the other ladies now. Jordy, I have a flower for you.
Jingle.
Here you go.
Thank you. Thank you. I really wanted a flower today.
That's why I got you guys flowers, because no one else is getting us flowers. Yeah, I have a flower for you.
Oh, thanks, Ella.
Of course.
So cute.
I have a disclaimer.
Okay.
If you just saw my messy room, no you didn't.
Okay, here is outfit number 2 for the picnic. This sweater is from Zara. Top is from Amazon, actually. Jeans are Revice, same shoes as before. Kind of fun, got some more pink going on this time. Okay, first stop, we're going to Erewhon to get some little snacks and food for our picnic, and then we're gonna go to the Griffith Observatory to have the picnic.
Yay! Vibes, guys, vibes.
Big vibes. I have my little Erewhon haul, some strawberries, and a little salmon wrap. Kind of yummy. I really want a sushi, but this Erewhon don't have sushi.
I got a vegan chocolate cake. I don't know, I just
Yeah.
saw it. I was kind of overwhelmed. I thought I was gonna have more successes. Pineapple.
Yum!
And
Chicken.
then, hold on, it looks kind of good.
that's
Yummy.
fire.
So I'm gonna have a little nibble right now. I'm a little hungry.
You want to tell the vlog what you got?
Sure.
Potatoes, Brussels sprouts, and chicken.
That looks fire.
It's really good.
Wow.
Wait, is that chicken? That's what you got, right?
Yeah.
I thought it was salmon for a second.
Oh, Brussels sprouts was a good move.
Yeah,
That
they
looks
looked really. The girl in front of me got them, and I was like, oh.
Okay, off to Mulholland Griffin. It's so pretty. We are walking up the hill.
These donuts, if I take one wrong step.
Yay. The sky's like purple behind me. Guys, it's a little cold with the sunset, but we're fine. And it's so pretty.
It's beautiful. My hands are
My hands are freezing. It's like a whole 60 degrees. Hi, there's so many couples.
And then us. The Valentine's balloons are all up in Ella's face. And then to this direction.
I'm feeling a little nauseous, I'm not gonna lie.
So I probably look so ugly. I need to maybe. So this is what's happening on our side of the couch.
We've been driving for like an hour.
Yeah, we've been driving for an hour and a half. Ella can't even drive. Stay tuned. Mwah. Oh my god.
Okay, we're doing a little self-care. So I got pore strip on from Jordan. It's only 8:30. I'm like ready for bed. But it's okay. We're still gonna have a fun girls' night. Look at this. There's like smiley faces on it. Let's see the results.
Okay, wow, that's really fast.
Oh, ouch, ouch.
Ouch. Alexa, stop.
Do you have a little pocket?
I don't see any.
Oh, man.
Clear skin, girl.
Wow, alright.
I feel like Ella's gonna have 0.
Ouchie.
You guys go slow.
Ow.
Are you supposed to go fast? I'm confused.
Slow.
Ow. Ow.
Is there anything?
No.
Are you kidding
I'm
me?
like crying.
Okay.
There's nothing. It
No,
wasn't worth it.
There's nothing.
Okay, let's see. I wanna. Oh my god, it's gonna hurt. Cramp.
This angle is superior. You have a...
I want to do it slow so you can see it coming out of your nose.
Oh.
So that was a 0 out of 10.
I guess we all just have clear skin right now.
I don't know if I'm just seeing things.
I don't see anything.
I hope there is, because then at least my money did something.
Funny Valentine's Day movie.
It's a good one.
Vibes.
Madison won't stop eating and we're trying to watch the show. She's eating her spaghetti.
And now
and
popcorn. We're ready to go.
It's a 3-hour movie. I'm like, let's get this going. They've never seen it.
I know, I'm excited. We could have watched like The Notebook, but no, we're watching Wolf of Wall Street.
You've never seen it?
I've never seen The Notebook.
I just watched it, so.
Okay, this is not my time to watch The Notebook. I'll just be depressed. Okay, guys, it is now 1 a.m. We watched that entire 3-hour movie, and it was kind of amazing. Like, I'm shocked I haven't watched it before. Anyway, I'm gonna go to bed. It's been a long day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, though. And if you want to see more vlogs, be sure to let me know in the comments down below. Also, if you are not already subscribed, be sure to go ahead and do that. I post new videos every single Saturday. I also have an Instagram and a TikTok, both at Ella_Elbells. So be sure to follow me both of those, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.